Hello everyone, this is Saurabh from Pharmacharya. Welcome to the first ever video on this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about chromatography, a well-known analytical and separating technique. Chromatography itself is a huge topic to discuss, due to which I have divided chromatography into several parts, and based on that, in this video, I will only discuss about introduction and history of chromatography. So stay tuned in this video and watch till end. Before understanding the concept of chromatography, I would request you to subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get into the video. Well, talking about chromatography, the word chromatography has been derived from two Greek words, chroma meaning color and graphene meaning to write. Hence, chromatography means separation of the compounds depending upon their different colors that has shown by them. Chromatography is a laboratory technique for the analysis as well as separation of the mixture. Chromatography may be defined as the science which studies the separation of molecules based on the difference on their structure and or composition. Chromatography may be preparative or analytical. Preparative chromatography is used to separate the components of a mixture for later use, and hence it is considered as the form of purification. Analytical chromatography is utilized for the analysis of the compounds. It may be utilized either for confirmation that this particular compound is present in the mixture or not, or for determining the proportion of particular compound in a mixture. Analytical chromatography is mainly performed with a smaller amount of material or sample. This was the discussion about what is chromatography, and in the discussion, we established that it is one of the analyzing and separating technique. Now, let's find how separation of mixture is achieved through the chromatographic techniques. For the separation, sample is dissolved in a fluid, gas, solvent, water, etc. The fluid is known as mobile phase. This mobile phase carries the sample mixture through a stationary system. It may be a column, a capillary tube, a plate, or a sheet on which a material is fixed, known as stationary phase. The different constituents of the sample mixture has different affinities for this stationary phase. Due to these different affinities, the constituents of sample mixture stays for longer or shorter duration on this stationary phase. Hence, they travel at different apparent velocities in the mobile phase, enabling them to separate. Principle behind this difference in interaction with the stationary phase and different velocities is the difference in the partition coefficient of the constituents of the sample mixture. The different partition coefficient of each constituents leads to the different affinities for this stationary phase, which enables different apparent velocity and in turn different retention time on this stationary phase, and finally compounds gets separated. In this part of discussion, we established that separation of mixture through chromatography is achieved only because of the difference in partition coefficient of the constituents mixture. Now, let's find out what is partition coefficient. Partition coefficient P or distribution coefficient is the ratio of the concentration of compound in a mixture of two immiscible solvents at equilibrium. In chemical and pharmaceutical sciences, the two solvents include hydrophilic and hydrophobic solvent. The most commonly used hydrophilic solvent is water, and the most commonly used hydrophobic solvent is 1-octanol. Mathematically, it is expressed as the logarithmic function of partition coefficient P, or simply log P. The formula is given in the screen. Partition coefficient measures how hydrophilic or hydrophobic a chemical compound or substance is. It also helps in the determination of distribution of drugs within the body. Hydrophobic compounds or hydrophobic drugs have high octanol water partition coefficient, and they mainly gets distributed to the hydrophobic areas such as lipid bilayer, etc. Whereas hydrophilic compounds or drugs have low octanol water partition coefficient, and they mainly gets distributed in the aqueous region such as blood serum. Now let's talk briefly about the history of chromatography. As the name suggests, chromatography means separation of components based on the difference in their color. This technique was first devised in Russia by an Italian scientist M. Sweet in 1900, who is regarded as the father of chromatography. The term chromatography was coined by himself in the first decade of the 20th century. Initially, chromatography was used for the separation of plant pigments like chlorophyll, carotenoids, and xanthophyll. Since these components separated in a bands of different colors, that is green, orange, and yellow respectively, hence giving this technique a name chromatography. Subsequently, chromatography techniques developed as a result of work of scientists like Archer John Martin and Richard L. Singh during year 1940s to 1950s. For their work, they also received Nobel Prize in the chemistry in year 1952. They established principle and basic technique for partition chromatography. That's all in this video. If you love this video, do hit the like button. Comment below in the comment box what's your view on this. If you are new at this channel and have not subscribed yet, then subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any further updates. Connect with us on our social media by following the given links in the description box. Thank you for watching. I'll meet you in next video. Till then, take care.